Ryan here, Silly Reviews. This is the Febreze Plug. I have a whole setup here. I'm really excited about it. It's the Febreze Plug. This is a Febreze Plug review. I'm recording this after I've already had months of use with these. Tell you all about it. Simple name. They have all kind of really premium seeming scents for it. Fade Defy, Unstoppables. These are Febreze. They say they last for 150 days. Now, you know that's if you set it to the lowest of the low. Me, I like to juice it up, amp it up. I crank these daddies up all the way. And I'll tell you, these first couple of scents that I got started with smelled great. Then I realized I kept having the windows open. So they would keep the room smelling good even with the windows opened or like the windows cracked for most of the day, if not all of the day. So I kind of figured that out. And after I had closed the windows, man, these things put out a lot of scent. This is how you unpackage it. If you get a 3-pack of refills, these are dual chambered. And they have like a mix and match with the scents. It's cool looking, but really couldn't they just have whatever those two scents are in one liquid? In one large, glass, whatever. It looks cool and it works well. And the scents do last for the duration, which for me was about 20 days, 25 days before you'll get an indicator that starts flashing, letting you know that they're empty. How that system works, I don't know. I haven't figured out how it knows when it's empty unless it can just tell that that wick that's inside of there is all the way dry. But this is the unit, and again, very plain name. They keep it simple. Febreze Plug, not plug in, not plug smelly goody, just Febreze Plug. It's pretty simple. I'll show you how to load it up. You would have to be missing, you'd have to be short on brain cells to not figure this out. It has a rotating, a 360 plug to go into the wall. So if you need to angle it, dangle it, maybe you have some sideways plugs in the wall, who knows? You'll be able to set it up 3 settings, low, medium, high. They claim that 150-day lifespan on a new cartridge. If you have it on low, I doubt it, but it wouldn't put off enough scent. I don't think it's getting hot enough at that point. I put it on 3. I got over 3 weeks, less than a month. You'll hear it click when you push down. And once you heard that click, you know you're good to go. If you're not good to go, when you plug it in, like I said, that light will repeatedly flash to tell you either it's empty or it's not hooked up. You can see I am a fan of Smell Good. I've got cans of Febreze Air and other plugins. But we'll try this one out for a few days, and then I come back and check it. You'll get, I think, 2 flashes. Yeah, you'll get 2 flashes when you first plug it in. And once it stops flashing, you know you're good to go. It'll warm up and it'll really start putting out some good scent. We'll do it again. 1, 2. Pretty easy there. And it looks nice. I think it's attractive. Attractive enough. It's not an eyesore. We'll come back in the future here. I've got it in a different room. And I'm going to just breathe it in, and I tell you what, popping. The scent is absolutely popping. It smells so good. Now, I don't use the original scent after these are empty. I don't replace them. I fill them with other stuff myself. So there you go.